TC, jeez. Jeez, TC. Hustle, bustle down. Hustle, bustle down, TC.
Oh, by the way, this is my first driving that video.
Hustle, bustle down, TT.
Sorry if you can't hear me well. We don't.
No, you have
we
to
haven't
have the
double
headphones
linked.
on.
We haven't double linked this microphone.
Never mind.
We haven't double linked this, but I have a feeling we can.
Alright, guys, TT here. We're just gonna hop in the Crawette.
Hmm.
Yes, in our Galaxy Crawette.
I thought you had the Crawdad as the police elephant.
No, that's you.
No, I don't have the Crawdad.
We had a little mystery in take 2 on the remote. Kept turning on, but it turned out that we were just...
That I thought maybe my dad. Did you pick me up?
No. We're in a Galaxy
Someone in a Galaxy Lambo is trying to get me in their car. But you know what I say to that? I've actually caught a Lamborghini before. Going at its top speed. In the start. Why do you like screaming?
Because I was falling off the ledge.
We don't need to hear your screaming.
Helicopter! Alright. Helicopter time. Look at Builder Man.
Wait, he's not. You're the spaceman, not Builder Man.
Well, he's Builder Man. He's got the same package.
The same package and the same package and the same face, but not the same place.
Look at me. I can picture off in the sky. Look at me. I'm in the sky. Look at me. I see Donald.
Donald. What can I buy?
See, if you want to see more games like Driving Empire, like similar
I can buy the
Driving
Chevy
Empire,
Crawdad.
like Car
Should I
Crash
buy
2
the
or
Chevy?
something.
Wait, which one do you have? The 2009 or the?
I have the 2009 model.
I was planning on getting the 2013 Chevy Crawdad.
Do I have the 2009 or 2017? I have the 09.
Oh, why this one?
The Camaro.
Oh, this is Chevy Camaro.
It's the Corvette. So yeah, I got told. I watched a Driving Empire YouTube, and I got told a little secret by a YouTuber. Watch this.
Did you actually?
Vehicle motor. I can go straight through walls.
Song.
So not like I can go straight through this one and this one. See if we can land on that building.
Oh, the hollow building. Well, sorry if that's annoying.
Yes. So this is TC's first video.
Yeah.
What uploads?
He's done multiple takes.
What uploads do you promise to your viewers?
Probably the same
Things that I do.
videos that you have. True.
Well, you're ripping off me then.
Not rip off of you. We're uploading this to the same channel.
Yeah.
Oh. I basically got a big Corvette.
It's a Camaro.
This is not a Camaro. This is a Corvette.
Look at me.
This is the 2017 Crawdad.
Look at me. Okay.
I bet yours can't.
Going pro
I
gamer.
bet yours roof
Do-do-do-do.
can't. Stop. No, we aren't doing that.
No,
Does
mine.
yours have a roof
Yeah, mine does.
that can open and close?
Let me show you.
That opening
It's one of the
closes?
Crawdad right here.
But mine looks way better.
Yes, we're gonna drive around and show you a little bit of the map.
Sorry if you can see all of this. It's just my
I
iPad.
wanna talk
My
to-
iPad is actually 1 year old, and I had to start from scratch with CT over there.
Got my stuff transferred.
Lucky.
So yeah, TC,
Yes.
what videos do you promise?
The same thing as you. 'Cause
How
uploading
often do you promise to upload?
as much as you do.
Well, you need to be original at some point. Like upload different games. What games will you play?
Liftopia.
Is that your only game?
You can spawn your helicopter in the water.
That hurt my ears. That's loud and clear. I can hear that loud and clear. That was insanely loud that I just turned on. Yeah, warning, don't turn this on. Volume. Warning, don't turn this on full volume. Yeah, warning during when you watch this video, don't turn these sounds on the full volume. When you watch any of our videos. Well, yeah, especially the videos that I recording film.